Hello guys, welcome to Smart Object Mockup Designing Adobe Photoshop 2025. Let's start. So guys, take a look. There you have the box, how to create mockup design for this one. And we have another type of model like a bottle, like a can, how to put this design for this model. So let's use a smart object for this type of mockup design. Zoom in first and create a black rectangle shape like, and next go to layer, smart object, convert to smart object. So and next go back to edit. There you have warp, select the warp. So and now set this part, control all the corners for the can, control the handles, control this point of handle, control zoom in again, set here and set the bottom part, move up again, move up there and move this handle right there, zoom in, set here, select again the handle and control like this. Take a look, set, not that, zoom in again and take a look, set here and move like this. Okay, let's change the opacity red. See, there's a little bit problem right here, and right click, create split warp vertical here and zoom in, select, move a little bit up and control these parts, select again, control little bit, so there is no problem right there. Great. Okay guys, and now click on apply. If you see little bit problem here, select, press Ctrl plus T and right click, turn on the warp again, right click, create a split warp horizontal and move. Take a look here, control, set there, zoom out and now click apply. Change the opacity again and double click, click OK, and now you have the mockup design part here. How to use? Go to select your poster and select the part of the poster to put that design, make copy and paste here. Press V, change the size and click apply. Press Ctrl F and let's see here, change multiply, and now you can see the result. Not bad, everything is look good. Select again, press Ctrl T here, Ctrl plus right click, turn on the warp, right click, create a vertical line here, so create horizontal. I think at this time you can't control again your mockup design because you added the design on smart object rectangle. So guys, if you need to control again, control more, go back to layer. There you can see the smart object commands. If you need to make a copy, create another new smart object copy. So if you need to edit again, double click on the layer or go to layer menu, smart object, click on edit content. So if you need to change the smart object to a normal rasterize layer, select rasterize. So if you need to save or export this smart object for another time using on this model, you must export one copy, export content. So if you need to replace this smart object design with another one, select replace content. So if you need to convert your smart object for the length layer, for the length, for the layer, so this was important part of smart object and how to use. Thanks for watching. Let's go to another third type of mockup design. We call that vanishing point, the most another part of design. Thanks for watching. Have a good time, good luck.